We started mailing our personal property tax bills this summer. They're due October 5th, which is quickly approaching. Personal property includes things like cars, trucks, motorcycles, other vehicles, and business personal property. We offer many convenient ways to pay. Probably the easiest way is just to go online and pay at fairfaxcounty.gov/DTA and click on the link. You can also pay by cash at local Shoppers Food stores in Virginia. Just take your payment and your tax bill up to the customer service desk. Very simple. You can also, if you want to pay by mail, as long as it's postmarked by October 5th, it's an on-time payment. If you want to pay in person, you can visit the Government Center. We're open expanded hours this week until 6 p.m. and actually all the way through October 5th. And then we're also open this Saturday, October 1st, from 8 to 12 noon. If you have any more questions, or probably the best resource for information is going to our website, fairfaxcounty.gov/DTA.